If you've ever wondered how to skyrocket your views, even with 0 subscribers, you're in for a treat. I've been on this journey for the past few months, experimenting, learning, and fine tuning my strategies. Now I'm excited to share all the tips and tricks that have worked wonders for me. From starting from scratch to gaining amazing views on my shorts, it's been a roller coaster ride of trial and error. So let me share some secrets of optimizing your YouTube shorts to their fullest potential. So as you can see, this is my channel. I only have 39 subscribers right now, but I've only started this or posting this like maybe 2 months ago and in a very sporadic manner. And I was just testing and repurposing some of the stuff that I've been posting on TikTok and the kind of content that will do well on my channel. So if we go in each of these, you can see that my views have been getting better. So in the first view, I've gotten like 4 views. I didn't know what I was doing. And then my first big one was this Sunday reset. And my next video that got a good decent view was from this productivity unboxing. So I'm just learning all the keywords that will be great for getting views. If you go into my YouTube studio, you'll see that my latest short was 5.2K, which is, I think, pretty well for having no subscribers and or barely any subscribers. And the subscriber growth is actually way faster on here compared to if I were doing the same thing maybe on a long form video. So there is definitely a chance to go viral very quickly if you know how to optimize your videos, and maybe if you post consistently and frequently, the chances will be higher. So let's look at some of the analytics. Let's go to my highest performing video, which is this unboxing here. And if we go look at the analytics, um, I gained 10 subscribers just from this short, and it was mostly shown on Shorts feed. So that means some keywords or some tags matched what other people were interested in, and it got pulled into the Shorts feed for those people. And as you can see, nobody really searches for shorts, and my main views were from the Shorts feed. And let's see, if we go to the search terms, you can see that these are what people are actually searching for. And the highest search was actually for shorts and Amazon must-haves, which is what I have in my title. And there's a lot of random things that don't really go in that doesn't go along with my video, but they also showed up. So that was kind of interesting. And just to show you my views, if we go into the last 90 days, I've only really started posting my first short on here in May. So it's been less than 90 days of posting on here, and I've only posted like a few shorts here and there. So as you can see, it does have a lot of potential if you stick to it and you're consistent. So we'll go into the YouTube app, and my first tip for you is to upload in the YouTube app, but finish it up on desktop. And I'll show you why. If you upload on the app, you can just go through the process here, select create a short, and then upload your video. And after selecting your music or not, adding the text, whatever you finish, and then you go into the final page. There is actually uh, you can actually pick out your thumbnail now, which is great because before YouTube would only generate a random screenshot for you for the thumbnail, and but now you can go through your short and pick whichever frame you want to appear as a preview. So once you selected the right one, I would select visibility and set it to private, and then actually upload the video from there, because in order for you to edit and optimize it on your computer, it can't be saved as draft, because then that will stay on your phone and not on the platform. So I would upload it as private, and then let's jump onto the computer for this. In Studio, and in the content section, I've uploaded it as a private video before, and now you can see that this is the one that I uploaded, and we would want to go in here and edit like it is a video. So the first thing we want to do is actually do some keyword research. So this is my other tip. I currently use TubeBuddy here with keyword research, and I find it really helpful, and this is one of the reasons why my videos are getting a lot of views. It's because I've been doing some keyword research before to make sure that it fits into the shorts, and that it is a highly searched keyword, so that it'll show up when people are searching for that keyword. So what I mean by this is, say I'll go into the keyword research tool, and how I would do this is, say that was like just like an unboxing or Amazon must-haves. So I would go in here and search for Amazon must-haves, and you can see that the search volume is kind of low for this. So I would look into other keywords. So this one is ranked as excellent, so I would try to use this as the title, so that it has a better chance of being viewed. And I think the shorts algorithm is different than a long form video, so I've tweaked my method a little bit differently compared to if I were to upload a long form video. So in a shorts, I think the algorithm is that competition doesn't matter, but as long as the search volume is high, then your chances of being viewed is more likely, because if people are constantly searching for this keyword, then you will have a better chance of being viewed when people are searching for it. Compared to if you were doing a long form video, then you would want competition to be great, easy also, because then you can rank higher compared to other people's videos, or you don't have to click through to like the 10th page before it gets to your video. So that's my understanding of it, and I've been doing this and it's been working very well for me. So let's say we use this as the keyword. If you go back here, then we'll do this, add it there. And my next tip is to use the hashtags. I don't know how much this influences the algorithm, but when I use hashtags, I've also seen in my analytics that people click on the hashtags and have viewed my videos from there. So let's say we do some unboxing, and I would actually choose some that are like higher, um, like with more videos, because that also means that um, there's a lot more people posting about this, and it's a more common hashtag to use, so maybe people would be clicking on those hashtags more. So I would click the higher numbered hashtags. Okay, so if we go look at shorts, this kind of confirms my belief that if we use something with a lot of video views, it will do well, because a lot of people put shorts and there's 600 million videos, and a lot of those shorts actually go a bit viral if you put shorts. So it makes sense when people give advice to like put shorts on there and your video would take off. And I kind of believe that, because there's just so many people either searching for shorts, or you're putting yourself in that category where people would be watching shorts. So that is another uh, hashtag you can leave in there. And after doing the hashtags, what I would do, I actually leave the description blank, because I don't, no one really looks into the description on a short. But what I do, and you only get this too if you're on the computer, um, in if you're when you're editing your video on the computer, is that you need to answer this question. So no, it's not made for kids. If you do it on your app, it just bypasses that. It's like super simplified, and it won't ask you any of these. And so the next thing I do is to add all the related tags. So you always have an option to add tags. This TubeBuddy also makes it easier for me, because then I can see all the tags that are recommended for this video. And you can also see the keyword score, so you can see which tags actually do well. And this is 100, so it makes sense. Amazon finds TikTok. That's what people would probably search for if they're looking for shorts, because a lot of shorts are repurposed from TikTok. And this would only show up if you've come back in after you've published it. So what we would do is pretty much just look at the relevance and the keyword score, and I usually pick relevance first, but then keyword score is also good, so we can put Amazon finds. I just do it until I get maxed out on the tags here. So now this is the last step. After this, I would say you're pretty much done. You've covered all the grounds for having it optimized, and I would just switch this back to public and save, and then I'll go live. It does take me a while to get the views going. Sometimes I would check like within an hour and there still be nothing. But then I think it just takes time for YouTube to push your reels or your shorts out for a bit, and then you would see like a crazy spike, um, even like maybe a day after. It takes them that long sometimes to push my video shorts out. So if you're interested in learning more about YouTube and how I'm trying to grow my personal YouTube channel, check out the videos in the link below, and I will see you in the next video.